Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You find the undervalued item and act immediately. Start by confirming title, liens, or seller motivation so you won't lose time. Once done, create a concise scope of work and a cost estimate. This prevents scope creep. Make sure to lock financing or a payment plan before committing so repairs begin on schedule. Start sourcing parts, contractors, or tools now. Negotiate fixed prices. You're moving from idea to committed project with a clear budget and timeline prepared. You're in the middle of work. Focus on tasks that increase perceived and market value quickly, like paint, lighting, and mechanical fixes. Once finished with each task, inspect and document results to avoid rework and to support listings later. Make sure to manage contractors with daily check-ins and hold a small contingency reserve. If an unexpected issue arises, reevaluate remaining tasks and cut low-value items to protect profit. Keep communication clear so timelines remain tight and costs controlled. You complete final touches, deep clean, and create a listing that highlights measurable improvements and recent receipts. Buyers respond to specifics. Once live, respond fast to inquiries and schedule viewings within 24 hours to maintain momentum. Make sure to be ready to negotiate and accept offers that meet your minimum margin. Be flexible with closing dates or small concessions. If the listing doesn't get traction, revisit photos, lower price incrementally, or bundle appliances. This troubleshooting tip often converts a stalled sale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.